Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Happy New Year, and I wish you had a great year ahead in 2025. So the topic about CopilotChat Neovim version 3. I contribute on version 1. This when it was Python code by, and I contribute to the first version with the Lua. Then it changed a lot, so I want to share what happened and what is the new thing with the version 3. Let's overview what happened with the version 1 of the Python version, and then we had the version 2 rewrite in Lua. And at that time, we were in Canary branches. And recently, we had version 3. This has something amazing like urgent, sticky prompt, and all the rework on context. So if you're new to CopilotChat, please check out my configuration and we show you weekly so you can get the idea how it look like. And I will go over all the new thing. So this is my terminal and I'm gonna open my Neovim. So the first thing I want to show you this is CopilotChat, and there are a few things as usual. I have my custom and the prompt on the top. You don't want modify most, you can leave it at E. The first thing I often use is the wiki configuration. If I space AI, it will group all the things with AI. So you see this on the right with the wiki configuration, and we rely on deep and markdown from G-Sister. So you need so that so much sure that's already there. There are two options you can use this plugin. The first one, you can use this as version to bring exactly what is the latest version, or you want to get whatever on the main branch. So the thing I have right now, I use latest version. The important here, you can specify the model, and right now I can switch to Cloud 3.5 Sunnet. The downside of this model in something is not working really nice. Sometimes I got string rest error, so I leave this command so I can just on off. And next thing, if you don't want you the default key map, so you can change to whatever you want. So this is the what I prefer. So for tab to completion, cloud charge with Q or can see in insert mode. You want to reset and you can check to reset. Submit. I can use two keyboarding in the normal mode. And you enter and control enter if in the insert mode. And then accept deep like control Y like yes to accept something. And this is the help menu. So let's say I open the CopilotChat on the right, and you see here on the top is G question to solve the question mark to show the help. So I can see this all the thing here. So before go all the thing here, I just see the configuration, but leave it there. I will take you one by one. Okay. So this is the my configuration. You can change whatever you want. And also I had new thing here. This is the another plugin. I installed render markdown Neovim here, so it met nicely. It's if you use this one, nice. If you don't, it's okay. It depends on what you prefer. Back to the attention. So the best way you want to use this one, you go to the browser and you see all the chain from contributor. So this is the guy. He behind all the chain from version 2 to version 3. He all the thing is from his work. Please contribute to his work by donate or something, or go to this course and give a thank you to him to all of them amazing. And this is the highlight. So now with the version 3, you can use the dollar sign to show the model, and you can choose what is the model you want to communicate. And this is a new thing. You can use urgent, Copilot intention urgent. So the default is Copilot. If you install something new, that you can ask a question, all the thing from your Neovim. I will show you right now, right away. To make it work, first thing you want to check out is go to browser and install the urgent. From there, you need to go VS Code to authorize all the the flow to like you allow the agent to run on your account. So I will go to browser. The first thing you need to go to GitHub Marketplace and filter by Copilot, so they all list all the agents you can use on your account. And for example, I reinstall two of them, that is the Mermaid Charts. So I can use that right now with my Neovim. Let's say I can go to my terminal and I can switch to this one, and let's say I can use this one to ask what is the we have two Copilot and Mermaid Charts. So I can ask, let's draw the diagram by on my. So I had one buffer on the left already. I can choose that one with the buffer. So with the buffer, I can choose the what the file wants to ask. Or if you already open the file, you can just say this is the file I want. I don't want to tell it exactly, just tell by on the CopilotChat config, enter, and this one will call urgent, and then it will waiting, and then it's write all the moments. This is the diagram. So they list all the thing. Again, you can see the outputs of the mermaids diagram. Now back to browser. So I can try another one. For example, I want to use Docker for GitHub Copilot. So by on this one, I can ask to the how I can create Docker file, Docker compile file for my project. So first step, I need to authorize on my account. So I just install this one, and get this is free. So I just just use this one. Complete install, and I just say you on my file, and this is my thing. I can use my GitHub mobile. All right, next time after install the Docker and add to your account on GitHub. Now next step, you go to your project, and let's say I have this like the TypeScript molecular project. This is my starter template. I already have Docker file, but let's say I don't want this one. I just delete this one unless it's create for me. So this just that packaging file at usual, and they had one server th file to start server. And when you here when you ask Docker, will have a question, do you want something? And I just say let's create the Docker file for my project. So next step, Docker will respond, you need to authorize them to do first. So I say just yes, allow this process. And after this one now, I say let's create Docker and Docker compile for my project. And you can choose the model as usual. You can use GPT for all other stable right now, or you can use the preview version. So now for this one is you will need to log in and you need to authorize. Yes. So now it's go to Docker and you need to use your account, and I already had GitHub account, so it just goes and sign in with my account. Okay, so this is the documentation about the version. If you want to take a look, just read it and go through. And now, this is ready. Let's create Docker file for my project. At this moment, it will just create Docker file, user Node.js version 20, create app, build a UNVM, and you can verify this one. Like my project here, what I have is UPnVM, and they are also gonna ask me to create a pull request. Gonna ask like UPnVM and create Docker compile as well. So I can send the question. So it will use my reference here from server file, and then it's create a file, I say UNVM view and then create the Docker compile file. And next step, they're gonna ask a question: do you want to open the pull request or not? For my case, I don't want to just dismiss. All right, let's look on another thing. It got sticky prompt. So the way when you ask question with CopilotChat and when on the conversation, you maybe focus the context when you want to ask always to be the same. That is the case when you use this the sticky, which in all the follow-up question, if we remember this thing, so you can say click all the file or the file. And this here, it just we copy all every prompt. So this the way you do. And this is a sample. And another thing is I think here they have all the real context, so you can choose the buffer file or the all the buffer, and you can see all the file on the chart, or you can choose the file. This is the select the file, and this is the buffer you already open. So this similar but it's different uses. And Git here you have two ways. You can choose whatever on the GitHub, and you can define something fancy like create a new thing and let people input the birthday. Then you can do something interesting. So this is the new one. So you said birthday. What is my birthday? It's just say return the correct information. And another one is the April diff. So like look pretty nicer. And the more important here, some people get confused with autocomplete now. And I will show you what I changed to make it look really nice. And right now I use Blink at the my autocomplete. I remove CMB. I might write other thing. And the one thing I want my show this here, I disable the CopilotChat whenever the file type CopilotChat, I will turn off Copilot. So it's one affect the tab behavior. So that is more important. And secondly, if you look on the configuration right now, you don't see anything like the integration for CMB or for the Blink navigate autocomplete. So I migrate to Blink as well. And this is just working. I don't need to do anything fancy here. So this is the key point. Before ending this video, I want to show you all the things I can do with this, like the buffer. I can choose, like right now I have buffer G file open right now. When I select the first one, I can use colon tab. If you see, okay, I can choose like this file. And another one I can do similar, like I can select all the file. So this case here, but by on what I listing is views. So this is a buffer. And then I can do something like file, which means you can choose one file. And this one colon tab, it will list all the file by on what I config here. I can see, okay, maybe I want to select the file like I don't know, CMB or FDS Lua. I just choose a file. So this one it will include that file to the conversation with the CopilotChat. And similar, you can see, okay, I can select all the file, or I can use the git here. This, or they can use the register by on, or you can send it. Oh, this is something new. It's on version G11. You don't see this one, but now if you can you can ask the question like what is the URL tab, and you can enter the URL, let's say productY.com, and then you can ask the question. Let's say I remove all the thing here. Tell me about this website. So it will fetching the website, and it will list all the thing about this one. And I can ask, okay, all buffer, what are those file? I can ask. So it's right now I don't need to tell exactly what the file, but because I can say buffers is to have G file and list correctly. And I can do a similar thing like if you have the git message here, I can say okay, this is modify. I will task this start the file. Then I can write and so this is the git start. So by on git start, it will check the message. And if you want to see what is the context here, you can use G question, it lists all the thing, and you can use GC to show the context. So this is the file. It selects all the file. So this is GC. Or you can GD G question here. So you see here. So the deep GI show the info. So GI. Or you can do more thing here. GI. So this is info. So the question or the file you see that's one. So you can see the info by on what is the model, what is your origin, and what is system from, and you can see that easily. Thank you everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye bye.